Sami, I wanted to ask you, did someone ever escape from this prison?
Absolutely. Hi, welcome to Hotel Katanokka, former Helsinki County Jail. My name is Sami Joutsenvuo. I'm the head concierge of this pretty unique hotel. This is prison built 1837 by the Russians, as at the time Finland was part of the Russian Empire. The reason why it was shut down was let's say, inhumane conditions. Basic cell, prison cell, you can see the entrances. So one cell was designed for 1 or 2 inmates. We have 106 hotel rooms, while there used to be 164 cells. Concierge. So welcome to a room that has been made out of 2 former prison cells. So imagine this here being 1 cell holding 7 men, meaning 3 guys on bunk beds, another 3 guys, 1 slept on the floor. So this is the solitary area. There used to be 6 of these isolation cells. We can only imagine spending several weeks here, 23 hours a day alone. The last inmates here after our civil war, somewhat 1919. When we think prison time, it was important to have the nets so the inmates couldn't jump if they were suicidal, or the other inmates couldn't throw things. So this is one of the oldest churches in Helsinki, a church from 1837, and I have to reply to every guest feedback. I remember one lady sending us a negative guest feedback, and there was only 1 sentence saying it was a bit prison-like. Well, it is, yes ma'am.